Okay, y'all, so I'm about to get straight to the video because I was supposed to post this last week, but I had some stuff going on, so I couldn't, get the video out. I did the video 3 times, but it was a fail because my phone wasn't working correctly, and I had to purchase a whole new phone. So I got a new phone, and I know that it's gonna work. The video is gonna come out good. So I'm gonna go into this palette here by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna be using this shade here. So how was your holiday? I didn't get a chance to ask you all, like, what you do and stuff like that. Me, I really didn't do too much. I stayed home with my grandma and my son, and that's about it. That's it. So now I'm gonna go into this darker shade here, and I'm gonna add that in my crease. Okay, so it's another thing that I want to talk about. That's like way off topic. So if you are a woman who doesn't wear makeup, okay, that's good. I mean, no one is judging you or whatever. But my thing is, don't judge other women for wearing makeup. I mean, just don't. Like it's not right. Because you don't wear makeup doesn't mean others have to not wear makeup, Like, most women wear makeup because they like to wear makeup. I'm not gonna say all of you women that don't wear makeup judge women who wear makeup, but I feel like if y'all don't wear makeup and y'all judging other women from wearing makeup, half of y'all be wearing filters on y'all pictures when y'all take one and post them on y'all pages. So it's like y'all judging other women for wearing makeup, but y'all wearing filters. Like, I just think that is not right for other women to be bashing other women, period. But I'm not against filters. I forgot to add that in. I'm not against filters. I'm not against filters at all. I'm not against makeup or filters. So, okay, so now I'm going to go into this palette here. And I'm going to use this shade. The name of it is Chad. And I'm just going to tap this on my eyelid. I'm not going to go up by the crease. I'm just going to be tapping it on. I know some may take offense of what I said, but that's fine. It's whatever. Like, I'm not just going to hold my tongue about the situation. I just feel like women just need to stop bashing each other in general. I'm going to take my blend brush. I'm going to go back into this palette and use that this darker brown to blend it out. To like blend that harsh line. Now I'm going to go back into this lighter shade here, and I'm just going to blend out that darker brown that I added at the top. So off camera, I applied my Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. So I bought 2 new foundations by Revlon ColorStay. One shade is in 610. I don't know if you can see that glare. And the other one is 620. I'm gonna be mixing these to get like my correct shade, because I have a problem with finding my my correct shade. About this foundation, it's not full coverage like I would want it to be. It's not, I don't know if you can see, like you can still see like some of my dark spots on my face, but I'm gonna try to work with it. Now I'm gonna apply my LA Color Pro Concealer, and the shade is Espresso. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend my concealer using my sponge. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my set my highlight using my banana powder. Now I'm gonna go in with my mineral powder and do my contour. Okay, so for my highlight, I'm going to use my Hyper Real Glow by M.A.C. And I'm going to use this shade here. Okay, now I'm going to use my Black Radiance blush. The name of the shade is Brick House. It's my favorite. I had it so long, I'm surprised I ain't ran out. I'm gonna go back into my eyes and I'm gonna be adding my black eyeliner pencil by Hard Candy. Off camera, I added my mascara, which has no name on it. It's smeared off. But I'm gonna go into this palette here, back into this palette, and I'm gonna use this shade for my tear duct. Okay, so I put on my eyelashes and also added mascara under my eye. I think I said that already, but I added my eyelashes and I'm gonna go into my lips and use my favorite lip liner. So next I'm gonna go into my favorite liquid lipstick by L'Oreal, Bittersweet. And the number is 854. Okay, so I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna use this LA Color, it's High Shine. It has shea butter. It's a lip gloss. I'm just gonna add that at the, like, on the top of it, just to see how it will look. Ooh, that is cute. I didn't really expect that, but so y'all, this is the finished look. I tried to, you know, I'm not going anywhere, but I tried to, you know, dress it up, put on earrings. I don't even really have any jewelry. I have a lot of earrings, but no necklaces or anything. So this is the finished look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload more content. And as always, thank you for watching.